We distilled this a few times in our class down to this principle, Mr. Patel.
Trying to sound smart is a pretty dumb strategy.
And we had the corollary of this.
Making your audience feel smart is a freaking brilliant strategy.
It is. If you can give the people in the audience a sense that they've learned something, that's a good presentation. And it brings us to the final element that we'll talk about, and that's tact, which will break down to this phrase. It's not about you. That's probably the most important thing to remember about giving a presentation. I know that you're going to be filled with stress. There's going to be this neuroses. You're going to feel like you're the center of attention, and oh my goodness, I'm going to get so anxious and nervous and everyone's paying attention to me. But I think the best thing to remember that when you're giving a presentation, it's not about you. It's about the audience members. And so that's what I really mean when I'm talking about words don't matter as much as you think. It's not about the words that you created. It's about how the people in the audience feel.